Hey buddy, you ever tried to eat healthier and somehow ended up more stressed than before? Calorie tracking apps are a great idea, in theory, but in reality, these apps are slow, confusing, and you have to search every ingredient. You get 100 of versions of the same food, and still you are not sure if the numbers are right. That's why I started to use ChatGPT, and it literally changed the game. It's fast, easy, and actually kind of fun. Let me show you how simple this is. I literally just type out what I ate in a normal language. Breakfast, oatmeal with banana and peanut butter. Lunch, grilled chicken wrap with lettuce and tomato. Dinner, pasta with tomato sauce and cheese. And then I say, can you estimate the calories for each meal? Boom, done. It breaks it down meal by meal and gives me a total. Want macros? Add show protein, carbs, and fats too. You don't need to know exact weight or grams. This works best for casual, everyday tracking, not for a medical or professional level nutrition. You are getting estimates, yes, but useful ones. Enough to make better decisions without obsessing. Let's see my bonus feature for you. Did you know that the ChatGPT can now estimate calories just by looking at your food photo? Yep, you can literally take a picture of your meal, upload it and say how many calories in this approximately. It will analyze what's visible and give you a rough estimate. Of course, it's not 100% accurate, but if you are just trying to stay mindful, it's surprisingly helpful, especially when you don't want to feel like typing anything. If you also add the short description of what foods are in the photo when you upload it, the estimate will be much more accurate. I use this all the time when I eat out. Snap, upload, done. Now what if you are like, I don't want to track. I want the AI to plan everything for me. You can ask it to generate a full plan like this. Create a healthy 3-day meal plan for a 30-year-old male, sedentary lifestyle. Goal: fat loss around 1,800 calories per day, include snacks. And you get your breakfast, lunch, dinner and snack for 3 days. It's clean, realistic, no crazy ingredients. And if you want to adjust it, say, make it vegan, or I only have 20 minutes to cook, or make it on a student budget. This isn't just a generic meal plan, it's your plan, built in seconds. What makes this really powerful is how customizable it is. You can literally build a routine that fits your life. Want a low-carb plan? Say it. Hate eggs? Say it. Need high protein because you are hitting the gym? Just ask. I've even asked ChatGPT to build me a plan that includes eating out twice a week. And the best part? You can keep tweaking it. No need to start over every time. It becomes your digital meal planning assistant, and it doesn't judge you for that pizza last night. Alright, now let's take it one step further. You say, love the meal plan you just got. Ask, give me a grocery list for this meal plan, and it will organize everything. Produce, protein, dairy, pantry, way better than any app I have tried. It saves me at least 20 minutes every week, and I don't have to deal with clunky interfaces or ads popping up while I shop. Super clear. Want meal prep advice? Ask, how can I prep this for the week? And you will get a full strategy. What to cook in batches, what to store, what to freeze, even portioning tips. It's everything a diet app should have been, but actually usable. So yeah, tracking food doesn't have to be frustrating. You don't need another app. You don't need spreadsheets. Just you and ChatGPT. Save time, eat better, stress less. If this gave you an idea, or if you are gonna try it, leave a comment. I would like to see what your AI meal plan looks like. And remember, don't figure it out. There is always a way out.